Good morning, children. Today we will discuss from the measurement of capacity the topic which unit is best to measure the capacity of. Different items or different things will be given to you and you have to think and answer which unit will be best suitable to measure the given item. We have discussed this type of questions for length also, weight also, and today I am going to discuss about capacity. But in your exam, it may come in mixing. That means I may give you the length, weight and capacity together. That means which unit is best suitable to measure. Then the question will be framed like length of anything, weight of anything or capacity of anything. So there the units you have to remember. That means the unit used to measure the length of any item or anything is in meter and centimeter. The unit best to measure the weight of something is kg or gram, and the unit best to measure the capacity is liter and milliliter. So whenever you are writing the unit to measure for measurement of anything, please follow the question nicely. Which unit is best suitable for the measurement of the given item? Whether the question is asking capacity, the question is asking the weight, or the question is asking the length. So first you have to find out the difference, which question is given in which form. Now today we are going to discuss which unit is best to measure the capacity of. So the first question is a cup. So generally we know cup are of small size. So always the smaller unit will be measured in milliliter. So a cup, whatever will be kept in the cup, that will be measured in milliliter. ml. Small m and small l. Small m and small l. So milliliter is marked as ml. Together you will write small m and l together is known as milliliter. ml means milliliter. A bucket. A bucket full of water is the capacity, which is more. There the quantity of liquid will be more. Capacity means the liquid items are measured. Capacity are used for measuring the liquid things. So in a bucket full of water, it will be measured in liter, and liter is written as small l. Written as small l. L means liter. Next, a drum. Drum generally they are bigger in size and they can hold maximum water or liquid things. Kerosene, oil, petrol, diesel, they are kept or preserved in the drums. So they are bigger in size. So bigger things or bigger capacity holder, they are measured in liter. A Pepsi can. When you have a cold drinks bottle, have you seen the Coke can or Pepsi can? They are smaller in size. So they hold less capacity of liquid things. So they are measured in milliliter. Milliliter is written as small m and l together. So small m and l means ml and ml means milliliter. You have to learn the spellings of liter, milliliter, kg, gram, that is kilogram, gram, meter, centimeter, because it may be asked to write the full spelling of those smaller objects. A medicine bottle. Always the medicine bottles are found in small. So it is the smaller units, the smaller capacities are measured in milliliter. So it will be written as ml. Small m and l together is written as ml. It marked ml means milliliter. Next, a water tank. A water tank generally holds maximum water. They have more capacity. So maximum capacity holders, they are marked with liter, and liter is written as small l. Small l is written and l means liter. Next one, a jug. A jug can hold more water. So more water means bigger than cup or glass. So it will hold water in liter. So liter is written as small l. A glass holds less water, so it is marked as ml. It will be marked as ml. Small m and l is known as milliliter, and milliliter is written as ml in short. So again I am revising. A cup, the capacity of a cup can be measured in milliliter. Milliliter is written as ml. A bucket, the capacity of a bucket is liter, it is written as small l. A drum holds maximum water or liquid items, they are measured in liter. A Pepsi can be measured in milliliter. A medicine bottle holds less liquid, so they are measured in ml or milliliter. A water tank holds maximum liquid, the container holds more liquid items, so they are measured in L liter. A jug holds more water than a cup or a glass, so they are measured in liter. A glass can hold less capacity, so they are measured in milliliter. Thank you, children.